Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2-box break. We're going to start with the '07 Black. '07 Black is box number 41, which is David Price's number backwards. Good luck. And no white pack. Here we go, pack number 1. Pack 1. Good luck. See, game day lineup maybe? There's no jerseys or anything on this. And there is a card, so we dodged the redemption here. And I rarely pull this guy, and he's actually a fun player to watch. It's for the Athletics, numbered out of 75, Nick Swisher. Nick Swisher. Very nice. And there's a little white on the corners on the top, but that's kind of expected with this UD Black product. But very nice Nick Swisher, numbered 46 out of 75 auto. Pack number 2. Pack 2. No patches again. No patches. And there is a card. Another nice one. This one is numbered 6 out of 10. Nice card. It's the Lustrious. And it'll go to the Rays. It's going to be a Carl Crawford autograph, who is now obviously on the Red Sox. But for the Rays, Carl Crawford. Numbered out of 10. Nice box. Dodge the redemptions. No patches, but still Swisher and Carl Crawford autograph. The Crawford's nice low numbered. Out of 10, and here we go. '07 Ultimate. 4 packs, 12 hits, 4 autographs, 1 patch per box. On average. Good luck. Pack number 1. No redemptions. Alright, pack 1. And I'll actually get some decoys. Let me get a decoy for the back. Alright, first off, a base out of 450 for the Cardinals of Albert Pujols. Next card will be a jersey for the Red Sox. It'll be of Josh Beckett. Oh, that's sick. Fucking nice card. Excuse my language, by the way. But rookie auto. This one is numbered out of 299. The sticker is actually weird. The sticker's been put on, looks sideways. But Josh Hamilton, rookie auto. Josh Hamilton, a rookie auto. The sticker, you can kind of tell on here. This is what a straight card looks like, just so you can... The auto is like crooked on it. But nice card there. Josh Hamilton. Nice rookie auto. And final card of pack 1 will be for the Royals. It'll be a Alex Gordon jersey. Alex Gordon for the Royals. So nice start. Nice Josh Hamilton. It's the first, I think that's the first nice rookie auto that we've pulled from this product this summer. Alright, this will be the patch pack. Looks like a big thick card on the bottom. First off, numbered out of 450 for the Mariners, Ichiro Suzuki. And then we have a jersey. This one is numbered out of 75 for the Rockies of Todd Helton. Todd Helton. Next, we'll go to the Pirates autograph of Andy LaRoche for the Pirates. So there you go, Mark again. Andy LaRoche. And the patch card. Actually pretty nice. I'm not sure if it'll pick up well on blog, but you can see it on YouTube. It's going to be a 2-color patch, numbered out of 25, of Garrett Atkins. And it probably will look like one color because it's purple and black, but it's purple in the middle and then black on the corners, up top and on the bottom, for the Rockies. Pack 3. Pack 3. Let's get a nice auto. We got a base of Freddie Sanchez at a 450 for the Pirates. And next card will be a jersey for the Reds of Adam Dunn. Another rookie auto. We got 2 rookie autos in one box. Not sure if that's supposed to happen, but it is a nice rookie auto. Numbered out of 297. Weird numbering. 297 for the Astros. Rookie auto of Hunter Pence. So, I haven't busted too much of this product, but I'm not sure if you're supposed to get 2 rookie autos or not. I don't believe you are. But still very nice card. Hunter Pence rookie auto and Hamilton rookie auto. Can't go wrong there. And final card of that pack will go to the White Sox. It'll be a jersey with pinstripe of Paul Konerko. Paul Konerko. Alright, on to the final pack of 07 Ultimate. Let's get a nice Jeter autograph. And there we go. We have a Gil Mesh at a 450 for the Royals base. Next pack, or next card rather, will be a jersey for the Orioles. This one will be of Nick Markakis. 2 cards left. This will go to the Cubs. It'll be an autograph America's Pastime of Rich Hill for the Cubs. And final card will be a random. It'll be numbered out of 75 for the Padres and the Orioles. Tony Gwynn and Cal Ripken Jr. Dual jersey. Padres and Orioles. And that is the box of 07 Ultimate. I mean, a couple nice rookie autos there. Hunter Pence, Josh Hamilton. Nice looking patch. Numbered out of 10, Carl Crawford out of the black with the Swisher out of 75. So, not a bad couple boxes. That's it. Thanks for watching. GSN Cards is out.